This is how to download a PDF file from a Gmail email account into an iPhone. First is to tap on your Gmail application. As the application opens, tap on the email that contains the PDF file. So here, let me tap on this first one. Once it opens, the next step is to tap on the PDF file. So tapping on the PDF file will open it just as you can see right now. The next step is to tap on the share icon, which is at the top right. While tapping there, you will see some applications and contact as well. The next step you need to take is to tap on Save to Files. This will open a major file folder in your PC. And here you will see the name at the bottom part. Look at mine here, GTB State 2. That's the name. Okay, the next step is to tap on the Save button, which is at the top right. And with this file is saved into my iPhone. Let's get to it. I'll go to the home and then I'll look at the file app and tap on it. Look at Files app here. So once the Files app opens, ensure you are on my iPhone location. And look at the file here. You can see it, GTB State 2. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.